Hi friends! In the last video I showed you how to access databases on the Harper College Library website. Academic Search Complete is always a great starting point. In this video I will show you some of the useful features of Academic Search Complete. These features are similar in all EBSCOhost databases. I'm going to do a search for college. Here are the search results. There's quite a few, and there are ways to limit that down. If you look on the left side of the screen, you have options to limit to full text. That means that you'll be able to immediately read the whole article from this page. There are options for scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. Many professors require this. You can change the publication date by either typing in these boxes or using this slider bar. Remember that newer is not always better. It really depends on what you're researching. There are options to limit by source types, so you can limit by academic journals, magazines, newspapers, and more. And then there are a whole other list of options here of how you can narrow your search. The ones I just showed you are the most useful, but you can experiment with these as you go along with your research. One of the most useful and most overlooked features is this list of subject headings that are under each article's title. This tells you what the article is about, so it's going to save you time from reading an article that has nothing to do with what you're looking for. And it's also going to give you some good ideas of words that you could include in your search box to help limit your search. So I see this word ranking, and I'm going to go up here and click on Advanced Search and type in ranking. So now I'm doing a search for college and ranking. You'll notice that my search results have decreased dramatically. So I'm getting closer to what I'm actually looking for in regards to my research. Once you find an article that seems useful, you can click on the full text link at the bottom of the description. Here's your article. You'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen you have options to add to your Google Drive account. You can print the article, email the article to yourself or someone else. You can create a folder to save the article in. And this is your citation link. So if you click on this yellow box, it will bring up different citation formats. And you can scroll down. Most classes here at Harper use APA or MLA style, so you can just scroll down to whatever citation style you need and then copy and paste that into your Works Cited page. I hope this helps. Remember to ask a librarian if you need help with anything.